Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you one Faucet website pay you instantly in your Faucetpay, and every 2 minutes every 0 minutes you can claim from that website, and daily claim is 50 times and pay you Bitcoin. Okay, this is the website. Referral commission is 50%. Pay you Twishi every 0 minute, 50 time claim per day. Just put your wallet address. Go to your Faucetpay. Go to deposit. Copy your Bitcoin wallet address. This is the Bitcoin wallet address. Copy it. Come here. Paste it. The next step, solve this captcha. 729. Come down. 7 2 9 8 5 8 5. Come down. Solve this letter captcha too. After solving, just click get reward. Wait few seconds. This website pay you instantly in your Faucetpay. Go to Faucetpay, user dashboard, overview. Just come down. This website pay you instantly in your Faucetpay. This is one of the best website. 50 times claim per day. You can claim easily and you can earn easily. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. This website link available in description. Bye bye for now.